Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. We have discussed in previous lectures the circulation system of man. Now, this is the anatomy of heart, so that you can understand how heart, what is the structure of it, and how it functions. I am facing in front of you and standing in front of you. You can see this is my right arm. So we can see this is my right side, and this is my left arm. So we can see this is my left side. And the heart, the structure of heart, which I have drawn. Consider heart is like this. This is my right side. This is my left side. So right side, left side. So this is right side. This is left side. So we can write here, it is left side. This is my right side. This is right side. Heart is conical in shape. Cardiovascular, we call it cardiovascular system. It is composed of cardiac muscles. It is the study of the heart is called cardiology, and the person is called a cardiologist. So heart has two parts, right part and left part. And right part is further divided into two chambers. Left part is also divided into two chambers. We call them those chambers, auricles and ventricles. So I have drawn our sketch. Now let us show you what are the various parts of the heart and how it functions. So this is left auricle. Left side now, it is left auricle. Left auricle. Left auricle. It is right, now right side is replaced by right auricle. This is now right ventricle. This is left ventricle. So there are four chambers in human heart. In our body, we have muscular heart situated in the thoracic cavity, in between the ribs, in between the lungs. The ribs give it the protection, physical protection. Whereas it is also enclosed in the sac-like structure. In a sac, outside the heart, there is a superficial membrane, inside as well as outside, which we are going to discuss, which we will show you by the different colors. So first of all, this is left auricle, this is left ventricle. This one is right auricle, this one is right ventricle. So it has four chambers, two auricles, two ventricles. In our body, when we born, before the birth, the heart starts it is beating till the end of our life. So heart circulates blood. Blood is the medium which carries nutrients and oxygen and other essential chemicals, which we have already discussed in previous lecture. Now, first of all, when you have to draw, mostly boys think that the structure of heart, drawing of this heart is very difficult. It is very easy. First to draw this portion, that is left ventricle. Then draw this. This is right ventricle. This is the left ventricle having thick muscles. When we come to this side, it becomes thin. This means that right ventricle has the thin muscles than the left ventricle. Why? Because this left portion supplies blood from head to toes. So it is related to our systematic circulation. So it needs more pressure. So this side has the more pressure. So it needs thick muscular walls. And second function is that it does not help it to expand beyond its limit. सो इसलिए इसके थिक वॉल्स होते हैं, इसका प्रेशर ज़्यादा होता है, इसका कम होता है, इसलिए राइट वेंट्रिकल हैव थिन मसल्स अदर देन लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. उसके बाद when we draw this portion and this left ventricle, here we have to draw this is called aorta. This is called aorta, जहाँ से ब्लड जाता है वापस. This collects, these are the pulmonary veins and this is the pulmonary artery this side. This one is the largest vein, we call it superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava collects the blood from the lower part of the body, whereas this collects the blood from the upper part of the body. This side collects the blood from the lungs. So we have already discussed in the previous lecture, the arteries, veins and capillaries are called the blood vessels, जिनको हम blood vessels कहते हैं, जो एक सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, जो क्लोज्ड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिनके ज़रिए से ब्लड सप्लाई चला जाता है तमाम बॉडी टिश्यूज़ में. इसलिए हमारा जो लेफ्ट ऑरिकल है, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी और पल्मोनरी वेन, यहाँ ये उल्टा काम करते हैं. आर्टरी का काम होता है ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड ले जाना, वेन का काम होता है ब्लड लाना, लेकिन यहाँ वेन लाएगी ऑक्सीजन ले जाएगी, वेन आर्टरी ले जाएगी oxygenated blood. So it is reverse here. When we say pulmonary, then it is related to lungs. So pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. It is asked in the examination. ये इसमें वहाँ ऑप्शन होता है, ये ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड लेता है कि deoxygenated blood. When the word is written pulmonary, then you can easily understand it is regarding the lungs, क्योंकि lungs में ये exception होता है. So when this chamber is filled by the blood is forced towards the ventricle. Here are two chambers, two flaps, two gates. We also call them cusps. उनको हम cusps कहते हैं. Bicuspid valve और mitral valve भी कहते हैं, mitral valve भी कहते हैं, mitral भी कहते हैं. So those are the valves which open when there is contraction and relaxation. जब ये contract relax करेगा, blood will go towards the ventricle. अब ये common sense है, जब ये contract करता है, there are two movements. एक को हम बोलते हैं systole, दूसरे को diastole. ये common sense है, जब ये fill हो जाएगा, pressure बढ़ेगा, volume कम होगा, then it will push the blood by force, rapid force towards this ventricle. And there are special some muscles, we call them papillary muscles. Those papillary muscles, यहाँ ऐसे होते हैं muscles, we call them chordae tendineae, which does not help in the backflow. एक बार चैम्बर फुल हो गया, ये ब्लड को पुश करेगा वेंट्रिकल की तरफ, और जो ही नीचे आएगा इसका रिलैक्सेशन हो जाएगा. जब तक ये कंट्रैक्शन करता है तब तक ये रिलैक्सेशन करता है, जब तक ये रिलैक्सेशन करता है तब तक ये कंट्रैक्शन करता है. सो कंट्रैक्शन रिलैक्सेशन, इट पंप्स लाइक दिस. सो हार्ट टेक्स रेस्ट. हम कह सकते हैं अगर एक इंसान का हार्ट 72 बीट्स पर मिनट होता है तो एक साइकिल कितने में होता है? हम कह सकते हैं नॉर्मल हार्ट बीट, हम कह सकते हैं 60 डिवाइड बाय 72, वो बनेगा 0.8 सेकेंड्स. 0.8 सेकेंड्स में ये कंट्रैक्शन रिलेटेड, उसको हम बोलते हैं कार्डियक साइकिल. 0.8 सेकेंड्स, इसका मतलब ये 0.1 सेकेंड रेस्ट भी लेता है. 30% ब्लड विल गो टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड. सो जब लंग्स से ब्लड आएगा, दैट विल बी द ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. I have shown you red arrows. Red arrows indicates oxygenated blood that is collected from the lungs. where oxygen combines with hemoglobin, and that comes through these pulmonary veins. So when it reaches here, so it has muscular wall, then it goes through this pulmonary aorta to all the body. So it needs high pressure. This portion has high pressure because from head to toe it supplies the oxygen. 85 to 96% oxygen, even sometimes 100% reaches to body cell. So this portion is called uh, systematic pump. Systematic pump. And this portion, when it pumps the deoxygenated blood, it is called a lung pump. This is called body pump. ये ये याद रखना. When the left auricle, left ventricle supplies the blood to all the body, it has a more pressure than the auricle. It has a less space, it has lower space. That is why systole 120 mm mercury, 80 by 120. ये उल्टा होता है. सिस्टोलिक कम होता है 80 by 120. इसका 80 होता है 80 by 120 mm mercury. ये हम आगे भी लिखेंगे, दिखाएंगे आगे सर्कुलेशन वर्किंग में कैसे ये काम करता है. यहाँ तक समझ आया. सो इस तरह इसको हम बोलेंगे बॉडी पंप. When it receives the blood from the body, that's this deoxygenated blood, we call it lung pump. This is called body pump. So इस तरह इसको ले जाना है blood, सप्लाई करना है आपको, वहाँ इसको ऑक्सीजनेशन करना है. So the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava collects deoxygenated blood from all upper side and the lower side of the body and reaches to the right auricle. Here are three gates. We call them tricuspid valves. ऐसे होते हैं tricuspid valves. ये ऐसे होता है, एक इस तरह होता है, ये तीसरा नीचे की तरफ. This portion ये ब्लड को ऐसे करता है, नीचे की तरफ धकेल देता है. When ये नीचे की तरफ जाए, यहाँ होता है bicuspid valves. ये दो bicuspid valves, bicuspid valves. These bicuspid valves also called aurioventricular apertures. Auriculoventricular aperture भी, यानी एक अपर्चर होता है, यहाँ टिश्यू होता है, जो ही नीचे आएगा वो गेट बंद हो जाएगा. एक किस्म का गेट की ओपनिंग है. जब यहाँ से ब्लड नीचे जाएगा तो ये बंद हो जाएगा. There is no backflow. If there is backflow, that is a pathological disorder that will be discussed later on. इसी तरह से यहाँ जब ये blue color shows the deoxygenated blood, red color shows the oxygenated blood. So our body is functioning like double pump. One side it receives the oxygenated blood, and the second side it receives the deoxygenated blood. This portion is separated from this portion by a special muscle called the septum. This is cardiac muscular septum. This is septum. It separates this left auricle from right auricle and left ventricle to right ventricle. The heart has special muscles which give it protection. We call it muscular heart. These muscles are cardiac muscles. We can show these cardiac muscles. These are muscles. Why cardiac? Because it's a heart muscle. It is confined to heart. It is not present in any organ other than heart. So these are cardiac muscles. We can write cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. Okay. So here are these papillary muscles. Cardiac tendini भी हम इनको कहते हैं. Papillary muscles, superficial muscles, which protects the backflow. Same is the case with this side. This is bicuspid valve. These are also called the semilunar valves. Semilunar because it looks like the half moon. Semilunar, lunar means moon. So these are three gates from which blood comes downwards. When the ventricle is filled, it automatically shuts here. In this portion is a special tissue that will be discussed again, that is called SA node, sino-auricular node, which gives it rhythm, electric impulse for contraction and relaxation. Now, these are the muscles. This is called a septum, which separates these two chambers with each other, from each other. This is called a septum. This is called a septum. This is called inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava, largest vessel in our heart. Superior vena cava, largest vessel. Aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary, these are the largest vessels of the heart which help in receiving and dragging outside blood to other parts of the body. This is superior vena cava. Superior vena cava. ठीक है. Now, ये हो गया. ये अब हम लिख सकते हैं right auricle. This is right auricle. अब आपको समझ आया what is pulmonary circulation and what is systematic circulation. Systemic circulation, which is related to our all the body from head to toe. This is related to the lungs, so it is pulmonary. It carries deoxygenated blood. Here is the deoxygenated blood, and in this side, this is the oxygenated blood. So there is no combination of oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Sometimes there is some pathological or genetic disorder in the heart when there is a hole in the heart. That is another lecture. That is something pathological and physiological character that will be discussed later on. We have to discuss what is the anatomy of heart. Now, there is a special tissue outside this heart. Let us show that heart by another color. That is a special tissue called pericardium. That is a sac. You can show like this. This is membrane. It is a sac, so it is in sac-like structure. So we can say it is protected by nature. That is called pericardium. It is called pericardium. Pericardium means heart. Outside membrane, shock-proof, gives physical protection to heart. Pericardium. Sometimes question is asked in the entrance, what is perichondrium and pericardium? When you have the clear concept of pericardium, it is a word cardium. It is related to cardiac muscle of the heart, so it is confined to the question told. It is the question regarding heart. So it is the membrane, which is the protective layer, protective membrane to the muscular cardio heart, that is related to heart. And another special muscle is present, tissue. We call it endothelial tissue. Squamous endothelial, epithelial endothelial tissue. It is also thin layered inside. Inside endothelial tissue. Endo means inside. It is a thin layer. It also gives protection to heart. So it has two membranes, pericardium and endothelial tissue, pericardium, endocardium, also called endocardium. Endo means inside. Endocardium. I hope you have understood the anatomy of heart. Simply, हम फिर बाद में आपको पूरी डिटेल में इसको रिकैप्चुलेट करेंगे. तो इस तरह से ये गेट्स भी दिखाए कि हम मसल्स होते हैं, स्पेशल मसल होता है जो बैक फ्लो होने नहीं देता है, ऑरिकल कैसे वेंट्रिकल से अलग है, दो वेन्स एओर्टा कैसे काम करता है, ये कैसे ब्लड ले जाता है यहाँ से ऑक्सीजनेटेड पूरी बॉडी को, और यहाँ से कैसे आता है, deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body for किस लिए oxygenation. So one side we supply the oxygenated blood, from the other side we receive the deoxygenated blood, and finally it reaches to the lungs deoxygenated, where carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is combined with Hb. Then that Hb in the red arrows comes to the heart. So this was simple. What is the anatomy of heart? How heart functions? That is second question. Working of heart. This is, let me again explain you. This is right auricle. This is right ventricle. This is left auricle. This is left ventricle. Left auricle receives the oxygenated blood. Left ventricle receives the oxygenated blood. Right auricle receives the deoxygenated blood. Right ventricle receives the deoxygenated blood, and this blood is supplied through pulmonary arteries to the body, to the lungs, where it is exchanged. So from left side it is called lung pump. Lung pump, the right side. It is called a lung pump, while left side auricle ventricle, when it functions, is called body pump. Lung pump, body pump. ये body को देगा, ये lungs को देगा. So there are 4 chambers, 2 auricles, 2 ventricles, having both the chambers are separated by a membrane called septum. It is called septum. It separates both chambers. And outside has a thick membrane called pericardium. Inside has the membrane called endocardium, because it is related to muscle, which is the gives physical protection to our heart. Heart lies in the thoracic cavity in between the lungs. Its main function is to transport the blood, pump the blood to all the parts of the body, and receive the deoxygenated blood for oxygenation. So left auricle receives oxygenated blood, right auricle receives deoxygenated blood. I think the main largest vessel, that is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. It receives blood from the lower part of the body, and this receives from the upper region of the body. यहाँ तक मैंने समझाया. यहाँ बाइकास्पिड वैल्यू होते हैं, यहाँ ट्राइकास्पिड वैल्यू. इस तरह हम याद रख सकते हैं. यहाँ एक किस्म का सुराख है, 2 सुराख, जहाँ से खून नीचे जा रहा है. वहाँ एक टिश्यू होता है, एक फ्लैप जैसा स्ट्रक्चर, जो इसको, जिनको हम पैपिलरी मसल्स बोलते हैं, कॉर्डी टेंडिन, विच डज नॉट अलाउ बैक फ्लो, जो बैक फ्लो इसको होने नहीं देगा. इस तरह हमारा हार्ट, इसकी एनाटॉमी आपको समझ आई होगी. आर्टिकल क्या है, वेंट्रिकल क्या है, किस तरह ये फिर फंक्शन करता है. और कोई सवाल यहाँ तक हो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. ये हो गया व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हार्ट. नाउ हाउ हार्ट फंक्शंस, ये हमने दिखाया. यहाँ तक सब कुछ कैसे क्या करता है. अक्सर क्वेश्चन में ब्लड के बारे में बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जिसमें पूछे जाते हैं कि ऑक्सीजनेशन एंड डिऑक्सीजनेशन, डिऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड एंड ऑक्सीजन ब्लड कैसे पंप हो जाता है. हमने दिखाया हार्ट 72 बीट्स इन अ नॉर्मल में पर मिनट, 1 मिनट में. ठीक है. तो इस तरह से 60 डिवाइड बाई 72 हो गए 0.8 सेकेंड. नंबर सेकंड क्वेश्चन, सिस्टोल एंड डायस्टोल. सिस्टोल एंड डायस्टोल हम इसको कहते हैं. What is this systole and diastole? Contraction and relaxation of the heart. Contraction of heart is systole and relaxation of heart is diastole. So systole and diastole, यानी जब ये इस तरह होता है, ये पंप करेगा, ये रिलैक्स होगा, ये पंप करेगा, ये रिलैक्स होगा, ये रिलैक्स होता है, ये पंप करेगा. So इस तरह से contraction and relaxation you can write. Contraction and relaxation of heart. Relaxation of heart called systole and diastole. ठीक है. नॉर्मल हार्ट बीट. अब साउंड कहाँ पैदा होता है वो वर्किंग में हम पढ़ेंगे. वो दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. साउंड कहाँ पर पैदा होता है. पहला साउंड दैट इज लुब. सेकंड साउंड दैट इज दुप, लुप दुप, लुप दुप. It is sound produced by these flaps also. Loop, loop, loop. जाता है इसको, एंड दैट कैन बी हर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टेथोस्कोप। जब डॉक्टर किसी पेशेंट को फीवर चेक करता है, वो हार्ट बीट पहले देखता है, इसका कितना है, हार्ट रेट कितना है नॉर्मल में, तो नॉर्मल में इतना होना चाहिए। व्हेन वी रन, at that time we inhale maximum oxygen inside. That heartbeat does not mean we are suffering from fever. No, that is more and more oxygen goes, and these chambers have more and more work, so they uh, do their job quickly, so they function fastly. यानी तेजी के साथ वो अपना काम करते हैं, तो हमें लगता है कि दिल की धड़कन बढ़ गई। नॉर्मली जब हम सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक करते हैं, जॉगिंग करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन अंदर चला जाता है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, वेस्ट प्रोडक्शन। इसीलिए बड़े बड़े डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं, बायोलॉजिस्ट्स हम वो आप सबको कहते हैं कि ऑक्सीडेंट्स अंदर से बहुत सारे गैर ज़रूरी मवाद जल जाते हैं, वो बाहर निकलते हैं। इसलिए दौड़ना, एक्सरसाइज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ख़ासकर आजकल के ज़माने में, आजकल के वक्त में, जब हम 24 घंटे लगभग घर में ही बैठे हैं लॉकडाउन में। क्योंकि हम कश्मीरी हैं, हमें पिछले साल से है लॉकडाउन, दुनिया को 4 महीने हो गए, हमें 12 महीने हो गए, क्योंकि हम हिंदुस्तान के साथ हैं, डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री के साथ हैं। वो दीगर सवाल है, अल्लाह हमारे साथ है, अल्लाह इज़ विद द स्टेडफास्ट, इन अल्लाह मा साबिरीन। यहाँ तक समझ आया अच्छी तरह से? कोई सवाल? हाँ, मसल्स क्या है, हार्ट मसल्स क्या है, यहाँ स्पेशल टिश्यू होता है, वो हम दूसरे लेक्चर में दिखाएंगे। साइनो ऑरिकुलर नोड, ये अपर्चर्स क्या होते हैं, मित्रल वैल्यू किसको बोलते हैं, या ऑरिकुलो वेंट्रिकुलर अपर्चर। ऑरिकुलर वेंट्रिकल के बीच में जो चैम्बर या वो स्पेस होते हैं, वो गेट्स होते हैं जिनसे ब्लड नीचे जाता है, वो चैम्बर्स फिलअप हो जाते हैं, इस तरह प्रेशर मेंटेन हो जाता है। सो इट इज़ अ डबल पंप, इट सर्कुलेट्स ब्लड, इट रिसीव्स blood, it supplies blood, it pumps blood, it receives blood, it pumps the oxygenated blood to all the body parts and receives the deoxygenated blood. So there is two type of circulation, systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. This side is related to lung pump, this side is related to body pump. Any other question you can send me on the WhatsApp and we can further define those points which will be asked in the examination. The second part of this lecture, this was the anatomy of heart, the structure of heart, chambers of heart, muscles of heart, bicuspid and tricuspid valves का काम क्या होता है, ये सब उसके बारे में। पेरिकार्डियम क्या होता है, एंडोकार्डियम क्या होता है, एओर्टा क्या होता है, सुपीरियर वेना क्या हुआ, इन्फीरियर वेना क्या हुआ, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी क्या होती है, पल्मोनरी वेन क्या, कितने आर्टरीज होते हैं, कितने वेन्स होते हैं जो ब्लड को फोर्स के साथ पुश करते हैं टुवर्ड्स ऑरिकल एंड वेंट्रिकल्स। तो उसके बाद वो वर्किंग ऑफ हार्ट, हाउ इट फंक्शंस, वो भी 25 मिनट का लेक्चर होगा, ज़्यादा नहीं। एक बार वर्किंग समझ ली तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ सर्कुलेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन आवर बॉडी। आई होप द लेक्चर वाज as per your demand, as per your syllabus. Thank you very much. Thank you.